stopped recording this. Okay, so playing. I'm playing Subway Surfers. Why are you turning it on? Okay, I'm watching Rosa versus so harder than it looks. I'm going to draw, no. I'm going to edit. I got it. Yes! You can't still do this while jumping the entire board. You can't cheat this. So when you jump every single... Okay. I forgot this. See this? I'll show you a trick. Guys, you need to do a mid jump. To do a double jump, do it. Tell guys how to do tricks in this game. So this game is to jump in use more. So when you curl up it and then slide it, jump it. So this is a trick while you know about it. So there are two mysteries to get a mystery object. All the way so gotta be it, and then pour the box away. I go through the office and then see the boss. Was the office right? My personal assistant was hi. And then I jumped over by a chair. Well, jumping high was the bad idea. So I got more highlights as well. So I started running in Chicago. And I was definitely dead when I was 5 years old. My mom said, "Are you 5 years old?" And I said yes. And I was 24 years old. And I need to work harder every minute. And it is impossible to work. Because I want to work harder in the school. And it's 26. And then I grow up to 49. So I grew up to 29. And I was in third, and I got to 30. Jumping in the devices as well. The device has broken. Sorry, in a way that could make you more killing. So, dodge. What's a dodge? And what? Something that just happened to Subway Surfers. And I play Subway Surfers at 14 p.m. And I saw the guy who was running at me. And I made other characters that in this game was invented. So let's play the Danish game. So I was going to pretend how this does. So you need to dodge every trains. No way. I'll keep this. So this game lets me to work hard in this game and then Ouch. Don't kill this. Oh, this is not killing. Still. So I use the key and I need more money to earn more money. Ouch. Ow, I think I landed on it. So my mom was saying my mom was saying to kill me, and then all the way that I was 3 years old, my mom said, "Here you are. My name's Jake Jackson, and I call myself Jack, and I call myself Juwan, and then for the parents' idea was jumping. So I got hit by an island. Maybe. Other English speaking people, and I said Australian for the capsicum. Blew the capsicum in 4 places. And then got flying for the air and then got hit by a mosquito or something. And it got me a high daily key. And I flew out 1,000,000 times for the Roman countries, and they got me to Roman Empire. So I said that it was a jetpack, and I was definitely wrong. And I was running 1,000,000 times to complete the game while jumping on the wires. And I saw the guy who have a capsicum on his mouth, and then died for the burning daily. I got burning daily out of all this, and I started recording, so I died, and then bye-bye. It's gone. Oh, it's not over. Okay. Oh my gosh, how much distance we got in this? Okay. Come on, man. So I hear the sound when the siren head coming in, and I die.